Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is my second video and I'm Navi. Nice to meet you all. And today we're going to talk about picturepedia, an encyclopedia on every page. So I'm bad at English, so pardon me. And I have no subscribers for now. And this is a part 2. So be sure to watch part 1, that is science and technology. Or if you don't want, it's okay. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Today we're going to talk about nature. So we have the tree of life. So we start with beginning of life, single-celled organisms and bacteria and other stuff to the animals. Spiders and scorpions. Okay, we go to the next page. Anyway, this video is gonna be kind of long. And sorry for the sounds in the background. How life began. And we have some dinosaurs and prehistoric creatures. Fossils. Tyrannosaurus rex, a Triceratops, a Stegosaurus, and other stuff. Plant-eating dinosaurs. I'm gonna show you guys the dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs. What about you guys? Okay, that's cool. That is cool. Okay, let's go. Okay, meat-eating dinosaurs. Cool. Look at the Tyrannosaurus rex fighting each other. Anyway, just a thing. When I finish this book, I told you guys that I'm gonna record this book right here. But I changed my mind. Let's go directly to this book that is for dinosaurs. Not that big of a book, but we have interesting dinosaurs here. But there's a thing. These books are in Italian, and that's a problem. Sorry guys. I guess you're just gonna look at the images. Sorry. Or maybe I can do the whole video in Italian. There, that's better. Okay. Prehistoric animals. Creatures better. We have dinosaurs as well. A dinosaur. I said focused phone. Thanks. A mammoth. And other creatures. Oh yeah, these guys are not even prehistoric. They're in the dinosaur era. Okay, plants. Sorry for the sound in the background. It's my sister. I don't know what she's doing. I said her to be quiet, but just don't listen to me. These are flowering plants. They're actually more like flowers. So it's kind of weird. Now we have flowers. I know it's really annoying. Okay. Okay, we have flowers right here. And next, trees. Weird kind of trees. Tall trees, small trees, big trees, and mushrooms. Yeah, I don't like that much mushrooms, but I thought that mushrooms are just like these things, but they're not them. They're freaking weird. Look at them. Oh my god, I don't wanna even see them. Okay, we have spiders. I like spiders. They're interesting. Especially tarantulas. Huntsman. I'm sad that there is no huntsman spider. Oh, the jumping spider. Brown jumping spider, but whatever. And we have some scorpions. So we have 4 scorpions. No, 3, because this is just this guy, but again. Okay, let's go kind of fast because I'll end this video. Crustaceans. What? Okay, I don't know how to spell it. Sorry, guys. Okay. They're literally crabs and lobsters, I guess. Insects. Interesting insects, I guess. There's a part about butterflies. There we go. Butterflies and moths. Beautiful. But kind of creepy as well. Look at them. They're weird insects with weird eyes. But when you see them like that, they're beautiful. But like this, they're not. Okay, I'm not funny, I know. Okay, slugs and snail. Not that much of. No, I kind of hate them. Because I remember when I touched one of them. They're disgusting. Sorry. Okay, fishers. I mean fish. I think we have a topic about sharks. That's why we just have one shark. That is the tiger shark. More like a grandma shark. Okay, there we go. Sharks. The great white shark, I think. Yeah, the great white shark. Yeah. Other weird looking sharks. Seashells. Awesome and beautiful seashells. Okay, amphibians. Yeah. Frogs. But that's not it, don't worry, because we have a part about tortoise. Okay, they're reptiles, sorry. But we have a topic about snakes. Those are lizards. Awesome. Come on now. There we go, snakes. Where's the anaconda? Are these anacondas? I think, yeah. And we have crocodiles and alligators. They're so... Okay, this one is cute, I have to say. Look at him. He's so cute. Eggs! This is probably an ostrich. Yeah, it's an ostrich. Come on, focus. It's so freaking big. I mean, it's so weird. These are the shapes. So, let's go. Birds. We have birds. We have ostrich here if you want to know. But everyone knows what an ostrich is. And then we have birds of prey. Oh no, I hate vultures. They're just so weird and disgusting. Just hate them. Owls, they're beautiful. I like it. Feathers. Really beautiful feathers. Tell me that there is no pigeon ones, because I hate pigeons. I'm sorry. Ostrich. You have ostrich one. And animal journeys. If you guys want to see it, here, take it. Take a look at it. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm not looking at it correctly. Rodents. Chipmunks, mice, and other creatures, and other animals. Monkeys and apes. That's a gorilla. A western gorilla. Wild cats. They both are tigers, but this one's kind of more beautiful. But these guys, but I like more this tiger, the Bengal tiger, whatever. Whales and dolphins. These are the dolphins. These are the whales. And these things. No, just whales and. Oh no, there we go. What are these? Can't read it. Porpoises. Focus, please. Okay, I don't know what are they, but animal skeletons. Beautiful. Kind of weird as well. I mean, look at that. Dogs. Where's the husky? I don't freaking know. Where's the husky? This is a husky, but there is no husky here. Why? I love huskies. They're my favorites. Cats. You beautiful cats. And here's Will. Where's my favorite cat? Don't know what's his name, but it looks like this, but beautiful more. Russian blue. This guy's name is Russian. Where is he? Russian blue. No, the stupid light. Sorry, guys. Horses. Kind of sad because there are no. Look, this name is so funny. African wild ass, and he's looking at his ass. I mean ass, not ass. These are the colors. Oh yeah, not just horses, but ponies as well. Man, never understand what's a pony actually. They're just weird looking horses. Stupid horses. Okay, farm animals. I like this one. Are there dogs in a farm? I think. Yeah, I think. But there is no dog here. But forest. Okay, this is a part that I like because they just show you how a forest is made and what creatures are in there or plants. Rainforest. This is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Savannah. I can't find the cheetah. It's literally gone. Deserts. Like them. We have the ostrich as well. Polar habitats. Okay. Coral reef. Oh no, ocean. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, wait, I didn't even show it. Coral reef. And I'm sorry guys, but that's it. The video is ending. Okay, this is an English book where you can get it in Amazon for 22 euros, I think. But I got it from Amazon. Even though there is 29, 20, 30, let's say 30 in USA, in here it just costs 22 euros. Bye, see you next time. I mean, in the next video, I guess. In geography. That is kind of small, so it's going to be a small video. If you like it, thumbs it up. If you don't like it, thumbs it down. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. I have 0 subscribers for now. That's sad, I guess. But things like this happens. I just have 2 videos now. If I get this one too. And be sure to subscribe and thumbs it Oh my god, I'm so bad. Sorry guys. Bye.